Welcome viewers to my channel. We are doing definite integration. In the last video also we have done certain properties of definite integration. Here we will do the next of it. If fx is a continuous function defined on AB, then a to b fx dx, a to b f a plus b minus x dx. अगर fx कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन है डिफाइंड ऑन ए बी, आपको लिमिट याद रखना पड़ेगा a to b, देन a to b fx dx इज इक्वल टू a plus b at lower limit and upper limit minus x dx. And if fx, next one is if fx is a continuous function over 0 and a, then we have to find how to find 0 to a fx dx is equal to f a minus x dx. We'll use these properties to while solving the problems. If fx is a continuous function on 0 to 2a, then 0 to 2a I can write 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a 2a minus f 2a minus x dx. If fx is a continuous function defined on 0a such that if a minus x is equal to fx, then 0 to a x fx dx is equal to a by 2 0 to a fx dx. Now you have to prove one problem. This question came in CBSE board several times. X tan x divided by sec x cosec x dx, you have to prove that this is equal to pi square by 4. Now how to solve this one? This I can write I is equal to 0 to pi x tan x sec x cosec x dx. This is say equation 1. Now I can write using the property I told, if a minus x I can write 0 to pi, this is pi minus x tan x divided by sec pi minus x cosec pi minus x dx. So this is equal to 0 to pi minus x, then this is with negative sign minus tan x, and this is also minus sec x, and this is cosec x. So this minus and this minus cancels. So I can write this as 0 to pi, I can write pi tan x into sec x cosec x minus 0 to pi x tan x divided by sec x into cosec x dx. So see equation 2. This is I can write as from equation 1. This is equation 1. This is I. So this is 0 to pi. I can take pi common. This is tan x, and here obviously dx will be there. Sec x cosec x cosec x minus I, and here it is dx. So this is 2i is equal to, put equal sign, pi 0 to pi tan x sec x cosec x dx. Now you put pi 0 to pi tan, I can write sin x by cos x, and this is sec x, and cosec x can be written by as 1 by sin x, so here it is sin x again dx. So cos x in sec x is 1 and this is equal to, I can write pi by 2, 0 to pi, 2 of sine square x dx. Now 2 of sine square x can be written as pi by 2, 0 to pi. This is what? 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now this is very simple. Integration, this is pi by 2, you can take common, and this is nothing but x, and minus cos 2x, that is minus sin 2x by 2, and this is 0 to pi. Now here it is pi and sin 2 pi is 0, sin 0 is also 0, so this term will be termed as 0, and this is pi by 2. If you put, this is pi by 2, pi into pi by 2. So this is pi square and this is 0. I am putting this is 0 equal to. So this is pi square by 2. So 2i is equal to pi square by 2. So imply that I is equal to pi square by 4. That you have to prove. Students, what I have done here, x, I have used this a minus x here. A instead of a, this is pi. So pi minus x tan pi minus x. Tan pi minus x is minus tan x, and this is sec pi minus x minus sec x. These two cancels. So this is pi tan x pi sec x into cosec x dx, and this is minus x tan x sec x into cosec x dx. This is nothing but this I, equation 1. So I put here from equation 1. This is from equation 1. So this is 2i equal to pi tan x sec x into cosec x. Now tan x can be written as sin x by cos x, and cosec x 1 by sin x. So this is numerator, it goes to numerator. So this is sin square x. 2 into sin square x dx, and here it is 1. And 2 sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now you can put, integrate it first. This is x and this is minus sin 2x by 2. Put pi, then it will come 0. Here also if you put 0, then also it comes 0. So this second term will come 0, and here it is pi. So pi square by 2. 2i is equal to pi square by 2. So I is equal to pi square by 4, that you have to prove. Students, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, repeatedly I am telling you, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. I'll try to solve your problem.